How to use parental control in YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use parental control in YouTube. So now what you could do is if you're setting up a parental control for YouTube for kids, then you would actually install YouTube for kids. So you want to go to your respective app store and on the search bar, you want to type in YouTube and type in kids. When you do this, you would install this YouTube Kids, which has a lot more features and options that is appropriate for the kids itself. So you could install this instead of using a YouTube itself. This is also one of the alternative method. Likewise, if you want to use a YouTube app itself and you want to enable the parental control, you want to open the application, click on the profile initials at the bottom right corner, and then click on the gear icon at the top of the page. And here, what you want to do is simply click on a restricted mode. So over here, you should be able to find this restricted mode, or you could go to the privacy section. You could click on these options where you could find this restricted mode. You want to make sure to enable that permissions. So here you should be able to find, or you could go to the family center as well in order to enable this option. You could add a kid's profile as well. And then you could go ahead and enable the permissions. So click on the more button. Read all the terms and conditions and accordingly follow the on-screen prompt in order to use parental control in YouTube. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.